Hi, my name is Erica Gonzalez, and I'm one of the product training coordinators here at WellnessLiving. In this video, we will be looking at how now FitLIVE recordings are available to no-show, late, and cancel clients on FitVID On Demand. From the dashboard, we're going to go into the app drawer located on the top left, and I'm going to select View All. View All expands, and let us select FitLIVE. We have arrived here on the landing page of FitLIVE, and let's go into FitLIVE settings. Now within FitLIVE and its settings, you do have the option of security, meeting options. I actually want to go into session recording. Let us refresh ourselves, or if this is new, let us talk about what is a session recording within FitLIVE. So within FitLIVE, a session recording essentially is selecting how do you want to be able to record the session. You have the option to not record the session. You have the option to manually record the session. And based on manually recording the session, which essentially is the host clicking on the record button, you have further options to save that recording to a local computer, toggling that on. Alternatively, you have the option, if manually recording, to have this recording uploaded to FitVID On Demand if you're a subscriber to FitVID On Demand. Now within this option here, you are able to further select now, based on this recording and it being uploaded onto FitVID On Demand, how do you want, or rather, based on your attendance and your business needs, staff members can choose from the variety of attendance options to grant access to these recorded sessions. And so here we have the following booked. So based on the recording and it being uploaded onto FitVID On Demand, do you want clients who have booked the session to have access to this recording or the recordings? Do you want to have attended? This was already existing. And so do you want to continue to have that? These are added attendance statuses. Pending. Do you want to have FitLIVE sessions that will be uploaded onto FitVID On Demand? Those clients who have a pending attendance status, do you want to grant them access? Do you want to grant access to no-show? So do you want to have those clients who signed up for your FitLIVE session and did not show, and this video then goes on to your FitVID On Demand, do you want them to have access to videos, these recordings rather, and the same for late cancel. And so as you see, or as you just saw, as I was going through the list, I'm able to select. Well, let's first go into unselecting. So you can unselect by simply clicking on the square, it unselects. And if you want to select the option, you can go ahead and do that. So based on whatever, again, your business needs are, you can select whatever attendance status best fits for your business, and then remembering to click Save. You can always go in and change these based on how your business and your business needs changes, but do remember the impact on this and your clients. Now you see within attendance status an upload recording onto FitVID On Demand. It's within manual recording. If I go into automatic recording, which essentially is having your session automatically recorded as the session begins. And so within automatic recording, again, like manual recording, you do have the option to have the automatic recording saved to a local computer. Alternatively, and again, if you are a subscriber to FitVID On Demand, you can have this automatic recording automatically upload onto FitVID On Demand. And again, you have here the options that you can select from attendance statuses and who is able, based on your clients, which of your clients, based on their attendance status, is able to view this recording. Once you have selected all the attendance statuses, you will then be able to receive response from your clients that when they go into their client web app, they may not be able to, let's just say if you have selected late cancel, they are late to the session, they still will be able to receive the recording. And so some of the benefits in selecting late cancel is that for those clients who are late to a session, you want to be able to encourage them, come on time, and when they see the recording, they're able to see how much they were able to miss out live. And maybe it'll also be an opportunity for you as a business to possibly reach out to them via message center or email, just inquiring on how everything is going within their lives and maybe how you as a business can help them so that they're not late. And so these are all things, and this is everything that has to do with FitLIVE recordings now available to your no-show, late, cancel clients on FitVID On Demand. I hope you found this video helpful, and we will see you in the next one.